Hey folks, another day with scattered showers, a couple of thunder showers around the valley, but tonight everything has moved out of the area, and that should be it for the night. I think we're done tonight. Not like last night where stuff kept firing up later on. There's what we had earlier, but it is all dissipated. The showers coming right down Highway 77, but it went away as well. Future Track takes it all out of here tonight and makes a pretty quiet start to the day tomorrow. By afternoon, spotty showers are possible again. Another day when it's not widespread, but there could be a shower in 2-3 places tomorrow. Sunday probably a little bit less active even yet. I think Sunday's a mainly dry day and Monday a mainly dry day as well. We're going 20% tomorrow and then dry Sunday and Monday. And when we say dry, I can't rule out a 5% coverage of something. It could be really spotty stuff, but maybe one shower. That's about it. We're way out on the edge of all the stuff from Barry, which is now just 75 miles south of the Louisiana coastline, but it's only moving about 3 miles per hour kind of off to the west. So it's kind of paralleling the coast as we speak. Flew a plane into it tonight. Here's what it found. Strongest winds, you wait for it. There it is. 68 miles per hour. Lowest pressure, 29.26. That was about 8:15 on both of those. That plane has gone back. There's another one headed out right now. 28.6 and 91. Those are the 10 o'clock coordinates for it. 65 mile per hour winds. Again, it's just kind of paralleling the coast right now as it moves to the west-northwest at only 3 miles an hour. The good thing is right now, the biggest part of the rain is south of the center. By tomorrow night, it should be inland, making its way probably across the I-10 corridor, the center of it. But the rain has already started in some places, and it will just continue now for the next couple of days because it's going to be Sunday evening, and the thing is still technically somewhere up in northern Louisiana, southern Arkansas, and the rain's still wrapping around and kind of training into it. So that means the potential for some pretty good rain is there. Some places could pick up as much as 2 feet of rain in South Louisiana before this is all over with. By the time we get to about Tuesday, it's up over the Midwest, almost to Chicago, bringing then some rain. This is what it looks like. Big ridge to the west, a high, that's a ridge to the east, and the storm right in the middle. It just gets caught up between the two. That's what lifts it to the north, but it's a slow process. But once it lifts out, it's out, and that's the end of that. The ridge takes over. When a ridge like that takes over, it just gets hot, and it's likely to be that way for a while. Rainfall-wise, here's what we're looking at again. Future Track's been really consistent on printing out a bullseye here right over the southern part of Louisiana, 6 to 12 inches, but the pluses on top of that. Some places could see double that before this thing is over with. Back in the valley, these are our temperatures right now, low to mid 80s, depends on where you are. 87 in McAllen, 83 in Harlingen. Tonight we bottom out in the upper 70s, the beach at 80. Those showers are gone, and then tomorrow back up over 100. For most of the valley, the beach about 87. Everybody else is not over 100 in the upper 90s. So your first 1-5 accurate with the forecast for tonight, partly cloudy with a shower thunderstorm pretty much gone. We'll watch to the north, but I don't think there's anything else out there. Then tomorrow back to 100 degrees, partly to mostly sunny, a thunderstorm in 1 or 2 spots. Your chance of rain tomorrow stands at 20%, slightly less than today. Sunday we're down to mainly dry. Monday we're dry. All of next week when that big ridge, that big pink high builds in on top of us, we end up sunny and we end up hot. That should be the case for most of next week. That's your updated first 1-5 forecast. Hey, Joel.